guys, welcome back. Just got my coilover conversion kit for the 3rd gen fbody. Kit's pretty nice looking. This is a conversion kit, so I did have to buy these struts separate, which are KYBs. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Has reinforcement plates for the strut tower. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna put these together right now and then, yeah, be right back. And of course, I'm going to oil these up, put a little grease on them. All right. Got part number. There it is. All right. Here are my coilovers for the Camaro. Looking pretty good. I don't know how I feel about that bright red, but yeah, they look pretty good though. I like them. Yes, this little ring right here, this is how you adjust them. Shout out to, I think it's Spohn. I don't know how to say it, but shout out to Spohn Performance for these. These things are dope. And now we have QA1s on the back and the front. So, all right, y'all, let me know how the audio is. I got an external mic for this camera, so I know them audios and that audio in them last videos were questionable, so hopefully it sounds better. You don't hear all this background noise. This is a very quiet area sometimes, but it seems like every time I'm out here doing something, it's chaos and loud. So just let me know if you think the audio improved or not.